Kylie, my favorite. So this is Kylie lip liner, and then here is the color on top, and the color is a little lighter than the lip liner. So I have Queen lip liner on now, and then I'm going to show you guys the matte lip. This is Queen all dried down, and yeah, all these formulas are a little different, and I want to know what you guys think of them. They're like a little thinner and really comfortable, so. And then this is 2014, and I named it this because 2014 was when I first really dyed my hair, and I dyed it like a blue teal, and yeah, I had blue teal almost all of 2014. So, well, that's that. These 3 new children of mine launched this Friday on KylieCosmetics.com, and I love this color so much.